Hey, what's up? It's John from Dowie Farm. I haven't done a video in a while, and I know that, but I was just kind of prompted to do one here because I'm pulling 2 pounds out of these flats of sunflowers. It's crazy. It's hold on, let's see what time it is. Everybody always says, "Oh my God, you're doing this so late." Like, check it out. There it is. What time is it? It's almost 2 a.m. All right, almost 2 a.m. Good times. Good times. Anyway, got a lot going on around here. My nose is itchy because of the perlite. Been wicked busy here. It's Mother's Day weekend. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. It's Mother's Day weekend. Oh, especially both of my mothers. That could mean so many things in today's day and age, huh? Yeah, it really can, I suppose. It's not like that. I was born in '79, so it isn't that kind of two mothers, but you know what I mean. I'm just adopted. But here we go. I got some new seeds from Mums. Great stuff. I'm getting ready. If I can see it on here. Ooh, it's kind of hard to see this backwards. That's a nice new scale too, by the way. I'm getting 2 pounds out of a flat. Here they are right here. And I mean, we're looking at, how tall is this? That's about, my hand is 8 inches, all right, across my span, which is the end of my pinky to the end of my thumb. So we're looking at 5 inches tall. I pulled them out of germination at like 2, and 2 days ago. It's crazy. I planted these bad boys. I didn't label them. I didn't label them because I'm an asshole, and they grow fast, so I didn't bother. But I'm kind of holding the camera today. I don't usually do that. I usually have my selfie stick thing, tripod, whatever. Anyway, getting 2 pounds per flat, which is nice, from Mums Seeds, and they're planted on soil. There's my thumb in the way. Hold on. Let me tell you the lot number, so you can call and Bogart these, if I can find it. They have 50 pounds. They sell them by the kilogram because they're Canadians. We got a lot number SF6X, San Francisco 6 xylophone. There you go, 22 kilogram or 10 kilogram bags. Good price from them too. A little more as far as shipping goes to the US, but they still beat price than a lot of other places, even with that extra shipping. So it's good stuff. The other thing I want to show you that I'm doing with my sunflower, sorry, I'm not good at this one, I don't have my tripod, is I use the deep flats for my sunflower, my 2-inch flats, because they need the extra water. And I'm not here enough to water them, but they also need the extra root space, so they develop a lot of root space. Anyway, it's good stuff. That's all I got. Nice quick 3-minute video, cutting my sunflowers, cutting them with a big ass knife, just to make my night a little shorter. It's my big ass knife. Oh my God, I can't get any angles with this stupid phone. Just gonna have to believe me, I guess. Can you see it? I'm getting a cramp in my arm trying to do this. I can't see anything. Alright, whatever. Here, I'm going to try it this way. Look at this. Yeah, buddy. It's good stuff. Yeah, I've done that before with the radish. It's pretty cool. But anyway, that's what I got. John from Dowie Farm. Thanks for watching. I got a cilantro video coming out soon where I talk about my added steps that I've been doing. I've been using some peroxide. Good stuff. We're selling the short flat, or the 1-inch flats at dowiefarm.com or greensflats.com. Kind of links to the whole website. I haven't figured that shit out yet. And they're a good price, under $2 a piece. So it depends on your shipping. If it's with shipping, it'll be under $2 a piece. A lot of times, going to these greenhouse supply stores, they're a lot more money. Ooh, focus. Focus. Stupid new camera. And that's all I got. Good talking to you. Have a good night.